In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix width and height sizes in Wix using pixel measurements versus viewport width and height. This is an essential skill to master for anyone designing a website on Wix, as it allows for greater control and flexibility over how elements appear across different devices and screen sizes. First, let's open up your Wix website editor. You should be familiar with its interface, but if not, don't worry. It's straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're in, take a moment to look around and get comfortable with the layout. Now identify the specific element you want to adjust. All elements, be they text, images, or buttons, are adjustable in terms of size. Click on the Elements panel. Here you can decide what you want to edit. For the sake of this demonstration, let's choose a text element, specifically a header. Headers are a crucial part of any web page, as they set the tone and guide visitors through your content. Adding a header is simple. Just select the text option from the panel. Now that you've added your header, you can see the sizing dots on the corners and sides of the element. Clicking on these dots lets you manually adjust the width and height of your text. This is where precision comes into play. If you want exact measurements, you might prefer typing in pixel values. Pixels provide a fixed measurement, ideal for ensuring your elements remain consistent in size, regardless of where they are displayed. However, in today's web development landscape, using relative units such as viewport width, VW, and height, VH, is just as crucial. These units allow your design to respond to different screen sizes dynamically. For example, when you set an element's width to 50 VW, it will always cover 50% of the viewport's width, allowing for more fluid and adaptable designs. But what if you want to adjust the text size itself? Click on the Edit Text option directly above your header. Here, a panel will appear on the left side of the screen with various options. Navigate through until you find the font size option. This feature allows for fine-tuning your text to complement your adjustments to element sizing, ensuring both readability and aesthetic coherence. And there you have it. By simply understanding how to toggle between pixels and viewport units and adjusting your headers or any element type, you're positioning yourself ahead in the web design game. Spend some time in the editor practicing these adjustments, as having this capability in your toolkit will vastly improve the versatility and responsiveness of your Wix website. Enjoy creating.